All right, these are our 4-3 notes. This is nothing we haven't done. It's just putting everything we know how to do together. So you should know by now that I'm going to write less than or greater than in an open circle in the first box, and greater than equal to, less than equal to, closed circle in the second box. You should also know what I'm about to write in the blank, that you are supposed to remember to flip the inequality sign if you multiply or divide by a negative. So, let's get started. I'm going to put a 1 right there. Distribute. We know to do that when we see parentheses. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 plus 9 is less than 6. Let's move that 9. It's a 9. Sometimes this thing doesn't want to write for me. Negative 3x is less than negative 3. All right, now I'm going to divide by negative 3. Hold the phone. I just moved a negative. When you move a negative, remember to flip your inequality sign. So x, instead of less than, now I'm greater than 1. Open circle to the right. Woohoo! This next one is the same way, except the x is on the other side. But we can do it because we're amazing. Negative 111 is greater than 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times negative 7, x is negative 21x. Now we've got to move that 15. Since he's positive, I'm going to subtract him. Negative 11 minus 15 is negative 126 is less than negative 21x. Now to get that x alone, I got to divide. That would be a 12. Let's divide by a negative 21. Hold the phone. I just divided by a negative. That means that x on the right side, negative 126 divided by negative 21 is 6. And then, because I divided by that negative, I got to do a little flip-flop. Beep, beep. Oops, don't put that line under it. Flip him over. All right. But now when I'm going to graph it, it's backwards. So I'm going to flip everything over. So it actually looks like it finished the way it started, but we know we flipped it twice. All right, open circle on the 6 to the right. Number 3, we have 2 variables in number 3. I don't know if you just saw that. That was crazy. 2 variables, and whenever we have 2 variables, we always try to move the x to the left so we have one less thing to flip later on. So I'm going to subtract 6x first. 4 minus 1x is less than or equal to negative 1. That would be greater than or equal to negative 1. Sorry, it's the end of the day. Now I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. Negative 1x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Now, let's divide by negative 1. Oh, hold the phone. I just divided by a negative, so x is less than or equal to 5. All right, the x is on the good side, the appropriate side, solid dot. I gotta go that way, to the left. All right, this is the exact same thing. I need to subtract that 7x first. 4 minus 12x is less than or equal to negative 8. Let's move our 4. Negative 12x is less than or equal to negative 12. Divide by negative 12. Hold the phone. I just moved a negative. Flip that guy over. X is greater than or equal to 1. solid circle to the right. All right, these last two are super ugly, but you are super smart, so we can super do it. Here we go. Distribute negative 5x minus 15 is less than, do another distribute right here, negative 15 minus 18x. All right, I like to get my x's together, so I'm going to add 18x on this side. 5x plus 18x is 13x minus 15 is less than negative 15. Now I got to get those 15s together, so I'm going to add this guy on this side. So I'm left with 13x is less than negative 15 plus 15 is a 0. That's okay. Don't hate the zeros. I got to divide. I did not divide by a negative, so no flip-flops. 0 divided by 13 is 0. Open circle on 0. Go to the left. I'm going to do the same thing in number 6. First, I'm going to distribute this guy. Negative 6x minus 6 less than or equal to 2x plus 10. Let's get our x's together. Negative 8x minus 6 less than or equal to 10. Let's get our numbers together. Negative 8x is less than or equal to 16. Uh-oh, I just divided by a negative. That means x, flip it over, negative 2. Closed circle, negative 2 goes to the right. All right, when you finish all these notes and practice, get comfortable with what you're doing, flip over to the third page in your packet. It looks like this. It says it's a quiz on the top. It's not, it's just practice. Sorry to short on it. Do 1 through 8. Turn it in when you're done. Thank you.